Good morning, Amy Cohen from Strongest Minds. So today I'm going to share with you some amazing remedies that are going to begin to relieve your social anxiety once and for all. Once you begin to take these remedies, you are going to feel so much better. I am going to give you a couple of remedies and you are going to decide which is the best for you. And if you need all of them, you take all of them. Next week, I'm going to share with you how to make them and how to take them. Very, very simple. But first, you need to order what it is that you need. So let's get down to business. The first thing I want to talk to you about is a remedy from Australian bush flower essences. And this remedy is called kangaroo paw. What we use it for. In social anxiety, when you are around a crowd of people, you really don't feel comfortable in your skin. A lot of times you'll think about what it is you're saying. A lot of times you'll say things that you didn't really mean to say. It just comes out. What kangaroo paw does for you is it helps you to feel comfortable in your skin. It helps you to create eye contact. So kangaroo paw from Australian bush is really going to help you calm that and feel more comfortable in your skin, help you to be more kind around people instead of saying things or blurting things out you don't want to say. It's going to help you to just shine. People that struggle with anxiety, sometimes other people's energy really, really affects you. And it is very important to protect it. So these remedies that I'm going to share with you, and there are many more, but these are two that I use on a regular basis. It feels like a protective shield around you to make sure that other people's energy rolls off. And I really believe when you struggle with anxiety, when you struggle with depression, you are very intuitive, very sensitive. So it's important to protect your energy so you can be around other people. So what I'm going to share with you is Fringe Violet by Australian Bush as well. Another remedy is yarrow. FES, flower remedies. It protects the aura. It doesn't allow any negative energy to get in to hurt you at all. It's like bounces it right off. You can order it online. You'll see it, FES, and the name of the remedy is yarrow. YARROW. Another remedy I was just telling you about is Fringe Violet. What Fringe Violet does is it protects the aura around you and helps to clean it up. So this is also a beautiful remedy that will help you when you are around people. And I do this because it's like building this protective shield around you that really, really helps. You are going to notice changes right away. If you have people coming to your house, if you are in the house with somebody who has an extremely strong energy and it affects you, I mean, sometimes people literally feel ill. This remedy or any of these remedies is going to help you. These are 3 remedies I am sharing with you now. And if you have any questions, write them below. My next is going to be about how to make and take them. You can look these up online. You can order them on your own. And then I'm going to share with you how to do this. Once you start using them, I am telling you, you are going to feel amazing in a very short period of time. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. As soon as you subscribe to the channel, which is below, as soon as the next video comes out, you will be alerted to it. Thank you for listening. Take care, my friends. Amy Cohen, Strongest Minds.